Hello everyone, welcome back to Leo and Lila.
Today, we will learn English very simply and easily.
Don't worry, just relax and have fun while learning.
That's right, learning English should be enjoyable.
I'm Leo.
And I'm Lila.
Today's lesson is super important.
Yes, today we are going to the doctor's office.
Oh no, I hate the doctor.
Why? Doctors help you.
I know, but I'm scared of needles, and I never know what to say.
That's exactly why we are doing this lesson, to help you feel confident.
Okay, that makes sense, because getting sick in a foreign country is scary.
It is. If you don't speak the language, it's very stressful.
So we will teach you how to describe symptoms, answer questions, and get medicine.
Plus, we have some very funny and awkward stories today.
Oh yes, the man flu situation.
We'll get to that later. First, let's start with the basics.
Okay, first word, appointment.
An appointment is a scheduled time to see the doctor.
You usually have to call first. I'd like to make an appointment.
Right. You can't just walk in, usually.
Unless it's an emergency room, ER, or urgent care.
Right. ER is for very serious things. Broken bones, heart attacks.
Urgent care is for things that need attention now but aren't life-threatening, like a bad cut or a high fever.
And a clinic, or GP, general practitioner, is for regular checkups.
GP means general practitioner. That's your family doctor.
So, Leo, when was your last appointment?
Maybe 2 years ago?
2 years? You should go for a checkup.
I'm healthy. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
That's a famous English idiom.
It means if you eat healthy food, you won't get sick.
True, but you still need checkups.
I know.
Okay, let's talk about the first thing the receptionist asks you.
They ask, do you have insurance?
Yes, especially in America. Very important.
And they ask, what is the reason for your visit?
This means, why are you here? What is wrong?
And you have to describe your symptoms.
Symptoms are the feelings you have that show you are sick.
Like pain, cough, fever.
Let's learn how to describe these symptoms in part 2.
Okay, describing symptoms. This is the grammar part.
Yes, in English, we usually use I have or I feel.
Let's start with I have.
We use I have with a noun. For example, I have a headache.
Oh, my head. I have a headache.
Or I have a stomach ache.
Oh, I ate too much pizza. I have a stomach ache.
Or I have a sore throat.
Cough, cough. I have a sore throat. It hurts to talk.
Oh, that sounds bad. You can also say, I have a fever.
That means your body temperature is high. You feel hot.
Exactly. Or, I have a runny nose.
Sniff, sniff. I need a tissue. I have a runny nose.
Here's a tissue.
Honk. Thanks.
Gross. Okay, now let's look at I feel.
We use I feel with adjectives.
For example, I feel dizzy.
Whoa, the room is spinning. I feel dizzy.
Or I feel nauseous.
Ugh, I feel like I'm going to vomit.
Nauseous means you want to throw up.
Throw up and vomit are the same thing. Throw up is a phrasal verb.
Right. You can also say, I feel weak.
I have no energy. I feel weak.
Or, I feel terrible.
This is a good general phrase. Doctor, I feel terrible.
Now, be careful with the word pain.
Yes, don't say I am pain.
No, that sounds like your name is pain.
You say I have pain in my back.
Or, my back hurts.
Hurts is a verb. My head hurts, my leg hurts.
Let's practice. I'll ask, what's wrong? You answer.
Ready.
Leo, you look pale. What's wrong?
I feel terrible, Lila. I have a splitting headache.
Splitting headache means a very, very bad headache.
Yes, it feels like my head is splitting open.
Do you have a fever?
I think so. I feel hot and cold at the same time.
Oh, that's called chills, when you shiver.
Brr, yes, I have chills.
You might have the flu.
Oh no, the flu. Tell my family I love them.
Leo, it's just the flu. You're not dying.
I know, I'm just acting.
But there is another common phrase. I caught a cold.
Caught a cold, past tense. Caught a cold.
This isn't serious, just a runny nose and sneezing.
Ugh, that too.
Bless you.
Thank you. Bless you is what we say when someone sneezes.
Always say bless you. It's polite.
Now let's roleplay the actual appointment with the doctor.
I will be Dr. Lila. You are the patient, Leo.
Okay. I am nervous.
Good morning, Leo. What seems to be the problem today?
Well, doctor, I have a pain in my chest.
I see. When did this start?
About 3 days ago.
Does it hurt when you breathe?
A little bit. And I have a bad cough.
Okay, I need to listen to your lungs. Please take a deep breath. And breathe out.
Ooh.
Again, deep breath in. And out.
Ooh.
Good. Now please open your mouth and say, ah.
Ah.
Your throat looks very red.
Is it serious, doctor?
No, I think it's just a bad infection. Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to cats and bad jokes.
Well, there are no cats here. I'm going to prescribe some antibiotics.
A prescription, that is the paper the doctor gives you for medicine.
Yes, you take the prescription to the pharmacy.
Okay, thank you, doctor. Anything else?
Yes, you need plenty of rest. Stay in bed.
I like that advice.
And drink lots of fluids. Water, tea, orange juice.
Can I drink soda?
No! Water is best.
Oh.
Okay, cut. That was good.
Take a deep breath. Open your mouth. Say ah. Very common commands.
Yes, and the doctor might also take your blood pressure.
That's the thing on your arm that squeezes you. Squeeze.
Or take your temperature with a thermometer.
Also, let's talk about the phrase under the weather.
Oh, good idiom. If you are under the weather, it means you feel a little bit sick.
Not dying, just not 100%.
I can't come to work today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
Very professional way to say you are sick.
Now, what about treatments?
We have pills or tablets. You swallow them.
We have syrup for coughs, sticky liquid.
Yuck! I hate cough syrup. It tastes like cherry and death.
It tastes medicinally.
And we have the worst one, the shot or injection.
Leo's nightmare.
A needle in your arm. No thank you.
Sometimes you need it, like a flu shot.
I prefer the pills, please.
All right, now it's time for the funny part. Awkward doctor moments.
Oh no, there are so many ways to be awkward at the doctor.
Especially with translations.
Yes, let me show you a misunderstanding. I am the patient again.
Okay,
Doctor, I am very hot.
excuse me.
I am hot. Very hot.
Thank you, but I am married.
What? No, I mean my body. I am hot.
Oh, you mean you have a fever or you feel hot.
Yes.
Be careful. I am hot can mean I am attractive or sexy.
Oh no, I told the doctor I was sexy.
Very awkward. Always say, I feel hot, or it is hot in here.
Note to self, do not flirt with the doctor.
Now, let's act out the man flu scene.
What is man flu?
It's a joke that when men get a tiny cold, they act like they are dying.
That's not true. We really are dying.
Let's act it out. You are the husband, I am the wife.
Ugh, oh God, the end is near.
What's wrong, honey?
I can't move. Everything hurts. Call an ambulance.
You don't have a fever.
It's an internal fever. My organs are burning.
That was a tiny cough.
It hurt my soul. Lila, please, write down my last wishes.
Leo, you just have a runny nose. Here is some tea.
Tea cannot save me now. I see the light. Goodbye, cruel world.
Stop it. Get up and help me with the dishes.
Oh, I can't do dishes. I'm too sick.
Aha, I knew it.
Okay, maybe man flu is real.
It's very real.
Now, one more awkward scene. The needle scene.
Oh boy, you hate shots.
Let's act out me getting a vaccine.
Okay, roll up your sleeve, please.
Is the needle big?
No, it's tiny. Just a little pinch.
It looks like a sword. Why is it so long?
Leo, calm down. Look away.
I'm looking away. Tell me when you're going to do it.
Okay, on 3. 1, 2.
Ah!
Leo?
Did you do it? Did I survive?
I haven't touched you yet. Oh. You screamed for nothing.
Embarrassing.
Okay, now I'm doing it. Poke.
Ow! Is that it?
That's it.
Oh, that wasn't bad.
Big baby.
Hey, needles are scary.
See, doctors aren't that scary.
Even if you scream like a baby.
Let's share some important tips for your doctor visit.
Tip number 1, write it down.
Yes, before you go, write down your symptoms in English.
Because when you are nervous, you forget words.
Exactly. Write headache for 2 days, sore throat, etc.
Tip number 2, ask for clarification.
If the doctor speaks too fast, say, "Could you speak slower, please?" Or, "Could you explain that simply?"
Don't just say yes if you don't understand.
That is dangerous. You need to know how many pills to take.
Tip number 3, bring a friend. If you are very nervous, bring a friend who speaks better English.
Moral support.
Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
We learned types of places: GP, urgent care, ER.
We learned I have a headache, a fever, versus I feel dizzy, nauseous.
We learned phrases like under the weather and catch a cold.
We learned commands, deep breath, open wide.
And we learned not to tell the doctor, "I am hot."
Unless you want a date, no, don't do that.
No, please don't.
And we learned that Leo is a drama queen with the man flu.
The biggest drama queen.
Hey, I was acting.
Sure.
Now, viewers, it is your turn.
Have you ever been to a doctor in an English-speaking country? Was it scary? Did you have an awkward moment?
Write in the comments. We want to hear your stories.
Maybe you misunderstood a word.
Or maybe you are afraid of needles like Leo.
Don't expose me.
Also, tell us your home remedies. What do you eat when you are sick?
In my country, we drink ginger tea.
In mine, we eat chicken soup.
Tell us yours.
All right, everyone, that's all for today.
Stay healthy. Eat an apple a day.
Wash your hands.
And if you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up.
And subscribe to Leo and Lila.
We make new videos every day.
Real English for real life.
Thanks for watching.
Feel better soon.
Bye, everyone. Leo, stop it. You're not sick. Just kidding. Bye.
Bye.